Welcome students. Today's our topic is the implementation of RAID. There are two methods of RAID implementation, that are hardware and software. Now see first the software RAID. Software RAID uses the host based software to provide the RAID function. Yani it is implemented at the operating system level and does not use the dedicated hardware controller to manage the RAID array. So software RAID implementation offers the cost and simplicity benefit when compared with the hardware RAID. However, there are some limitations with the software RAID method. The first one is the performance. Software RAID method offers the overall system performance. Why this affect the overall system performance? This is due to additional CPU cycle or additional CPU is required to perform the RAID calculations. That's why the overall system performance is being affected. Another one is supported features. Software RAID does not support the all levels of RAID. That's why this is the limitation. Another one is operating system compatibility. Operating system compatibility, in that the RAID software is tied to the host operating system, and hence due to this, upgrades to software RAID or the operating system that should be violate for the compatibility. There is a violation for the compatibility. This lead to inflexibility in the data processing environment. That's why this is the one of the limitation for this. Now come on the another method, that is the hardware RAID. In hardware RAID implementation, a specialized hardware controller is implemented either on the host or on the array. So controller card RAID is a host based hardware RAID implementation in which the specialized RAID controller is installed at the host and the disk drive are connected it. So manufacturers also integrates this RAID controllers on the motherboards also. So a host based RAID controller is not an you can say efficient solution in the data center environment with a large number of the hosts. So we require the external host controller, which is an array based hardware RAID, and it acts as an interface between the host and disk. So it represents the storage volume to the host, and host manages this volume as a physical drive. So the key function of RAID controller are, the first one is management and control the disk aggregations. Second one is it translation of IO request between the logical disk and the physical disk, and third one is data generation in the event of disk failure. So this is the hardware method, RAID. Okay, thank you to all of you. Thank you.